Let's learn the phonics. A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. B for cat, cat. E for dog, dog. E for elephant, elephant. For fish, fish. G for grapes, grapes. H for horse, horse. I for igloo, igloo. J for juice, juice. K for king, king. L for lion, lion. N for monkey, monkey. N for nest, nest. O for owl, owl. P is for parrot, parrot. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rat, rat. S is for snake, snake. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for watch, watch. X, fox, fox. Y, yellow, yellow. Z is for zebra, zebra. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe.